Good day, Miss Maria Luz. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, good day, ma'am. I'm Maria Luz Menyosa. I'm 39 years old. I am living partner with 2 kids, all girls 7 years old and 3 years old. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters. I live in E. de la Paz Street, May Bangkal, Morong, Rizal.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm high school graduate
Okay, ma'am, why do you want to apply to abroad?
to help my family and for better future of my children.
Do you have experience abroad?
No, ma'am, but I have experience here in the Philippines. I start working here in the Philippines as a nanny, start in 2009 to 2013. I serving a family of 3, 2 children and 1 adult. My full duties and responsibility is to take care of the 2 children. They are 7 years old and 4 years old. I help them to taking a bath, preparing their food, and bring them to school and fix them after class.
Alright, thank you. And then, did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I finished my contract.
Okay, aside from that, do you have any work experience?
My next employers is I start in March 2016 to 2020 as a nanny here in the Metro Manila. My full duties and responsibility is to take care of the 2 children. My full duties is to take good care of them, bring them to school and taking care of them, cooking their own food.
Alright, thank you. And then, did you take care of any pets?
Yes, ma'am.
How many dogs did you take care?
4 dogs po.
Alright, and then aside from that, do you have any work experience?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so can you please state your last or previous work experience?
Start with October 2024 and November 2025.
Alright, so did you take care elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, what is the age of the elderly?
71 years old.
Alright, is she disabled or able to walk?
Able to walk slowly that I can't assist them. And then helping bathing, changing their clothes, feeding them, and giving their medicines on time.
Alright, so did you also take or check the vital signs of the elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, thank you. And then, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
How will you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
Playing them and to catch their attention or be calm and patience.
How about the newborn babies crying at night?
First, I'll check their temperature, if they have sick, or if she is hungry, I'll give them milk, and I'll check their diaper if dirty or full, and I'll change them.
Okay, ma'am. What will you do if you become homesick?
I'll keep busy with myself on my household chores, and I keep on my mind that I work abroad for my better future of my children.
Okay, ma'am. Are you scared of dog and cat?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care even big dog?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you describe your cooking skill?
I love cooking, but I'm really to learn how to cook their Chinese foods.
Okay. Do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during your working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
Yes, ma'am. At my back, but not visible.
Okay. Do you have any history or surgery or serious sickness in the past?
I have a surgery by cesarean section last 2022.
Are you willing to share room with children or elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up every early in morning and sleep at late night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, for the last question, Ma'am Maria Luz, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hello, sir and madam. I'm Maria Luz Mendoza. I'm 39 years old. I have 2 children. I live in it my living partner. I'm a cheerful and I'm honest and a hardworking person, and I'll promise to take care of your children and serving your family as well. And I'll promise to finish my 2 years contract and hope to see you soon. Thank you, sir and madam.